Hey, how's it going guys? In this video, I'll be replacing this cracked iPhone 7 Plus screen. Let's get to it. The first step is to power down the device. Now that the device is powered down, I can start by removing the two pentalobe screws down at the bottom of the phone. Now I can take my suction cup and apply it to the phone. Now that the suction cup is stuck to the phone, I can take my guitar pick and slide it in between the housing and the screen of the phone, like so. Now I have already removed this screen. As you can see, there is no adhesive around the sides of the phone and the screen lifted up fairly easily. Now I can take my driving screwdriver and remove these 4 screws. Now that all 4 screws are removed, I can start by removing the bracket. Using a pair of tweezers, it can be taken out. Now we have access to the battery connector and the 2 screen ribbon cables. First, I'll disconnect the battery and then the 2 flex cables. Next, I can remove these 3 screws at the top of the phone. Using the same technique, I can use my tweezers to remove the bracket. Now I can undo this flex cable at the top. Now I can remove my screen. Putting the rest of the phone to the side, I can focus on the screen. I will first start by removing the ear speaker and front camera assembly. Removing the bracket. The ear speaker. And now I can slowly peel these flex cables from the screen. Next, I can remove the home button bracket. Once again, removing the bracket. And now I have access to the home button connector. Disconnecting the connector. And slowly, again, peeling the home button flex cable. The home button should just pop right out, like so. Now I can remove this massive back plate. As you can see, some of the screws are already missing. I will no longer be needing this screen. Taking a look at our new screen, I can start by removing the protection. Applying the backplate. Now I need to find one missing screw. Now I can move on with the repair. I will start by installing the home button. Just like so, through the bottom. And slide it under the connector. Once you hear the click, you know it's seated in its correct position. Now I can reinstall the bracket. Now I can install this earpiece, front camera, flex cable. Removing the protective film. And making sure to align everything. Now to install the earpiece. Just like so. Front camera goes over the earpiece. And now I can install my bracket. Holding everything down to make sure nothing goes anywhere. And screwing it into place. The screen is now ready and can be installed back into the phone. Although before I install the screen, I'll be applying some adhesive around the edges of the frame. Personally, I prefer to use this type of roll adhesive as it sticks much better than the generic adhesive that comes with the screens. Now that the adhesive is applied to the sides of the phone, I can start by reconnecting the flex cables from the screen into the phone. Reconnecting the battery, I can power the phone on. I can test that the phone is working fine and proceed with the repair. Reinstalling the brackets. Now that all the screws are back in the phone, I can seal the phone shut. Now I can finish off by installing the last two pentalobe screws into the bottom of the phone. Removing the protective film. And that will conclude this repair. If you enjoyed, please like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. In the next video, I'll be fixing this cracked iPhone 11. See you next time.